In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload video on Webflow. We'll walk through the process step by step, so even if you're new to Webflow, you'll be able to follow along and get your video up and running on your site. First, open your browser and go to the Webflow website. Log into your Webflow account using your usual credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Here, you'll see a list of all the sites you're currently working on. Find the project where you want to add your video. When you hover your mouse over that site card, you'll see an option that says Open in Webflow. Click that to open the site inside the Webflow designer. Now that you're inside the editor, decide where on your page you want the video to appear. You might want it in a hero section at the top, as a background behind text, or somewhere in the middle of your layout. Make sure you've selected the section, div, or element where you want the video to live. Next, press the letter A on your keyboard. This is a quick shortcut that opens the Add Elements panel on the left side of the screen. In that panel, you'll see a search bar. Type the word video into the search field. Webflow will show a few different video-related options. For this example, choose Background Video. Click and drag the background video element from the panel and drop it onto your page, right where you want the video to appear. As soon as you drop it in, you'll see a placeholder with an option that says Upload Video. Click that button. Your computer's file browser will open, allowing you to choose the video file you want to use. Navigate to the folder where your video is saved, select the file, and then press Enter or click Open. Webflow will start uploading your video. During this process, you might see a message that says transcoding. This just means Webflow is converting and optimizing your video for web playback. The time this takes can vary depending on the file size and your internet speed. So give it a moment and avoid refreshing the page. Once the transcoding finishes, your video preview should appear in the designer. With the background video element selected, look over to the right-hand side of the screen to the settings and style panels. Here you can configure options like how the video loops, how it behaves on hover or on load, and how it sits behind your other content. You can also adjust layout, size, and positioning to make sure it looks great on desktop, tablet, and mobile views. When you're happy with how everything looks, remember to publish your site so the changes go live. That's all there is to it. You've successfully uploaded a video to Webflow and added it to your page as a background video.